Get the blocks dressed in white, some baggage elbows, pocket full of stones, 3 G's and try to lose these hoes. And the class coming sick cause it's the first of the month. Things on my big like try to take these fools to lunch. Before you jump in the game, let's get one thing understood. If you're selling that ice cream, you got to make sure it's good. Mr. Ice Cream Man, Mr. Ice Cream, ooh, Mr. Ice Cream Man. La la la, I know we're going crazy in the ghetto, try to kill me. My little homie's lost his life. Y'all fools feel me, I pack the gat cause I'm paranoid at nighttime. Brother be pulling jack, I'm in the hood busting gangster rhyme. Fools feel me, I pack the gat cause I'm paranoid at nighttime. Brother be pulling jack, I'm in the hood busting gangster rhyme. Fools feel me, I pack a gat cause I'm paranoid at nighttime. Brother be pulling jack, I'm in the hood busting gangster rhyme. Before you jump in the game, let's get one thing understood. If you're selling that ice cream, you got to make sure it's good, and still gotta watch my backpack in the hood, G, like Spice once said. Those fools living like movies, and little kids get by it. I mean, my hood is rowdy. I'm trying to make $1.50 before I'm up and high. It's the ice cream man, call me Master P. I got that 2 for 3 caraudio me if you need some D. Me and my little brother Silk, we be ballin', got this thing sold up Texas to Orleans.
Last year, Donnie announced that this year would be the last Slamology to happen at the Lucas Oil Raceway Park, but many attendees say no matter where Slamology is, they'll be there.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.